Okay, say hi to the vlog.
Hello, Guimares.
You just choose where is the suspect here.
Where's the suspect? Okay. Okay, guys.
Nining, ikaw Nining.
Okay.
Tunay, ikaw Tunay.
What's up, guys? We're in Guimares, so we're going to Guimares from Iloilo Port right now. So I've got my friend Jean with me. Say hey, Jean.
Hey.
So we're gonna try to get on the boat now. Kind of busy, so we'll see you in a second. Bye. All right, we're on the boat now. We ended up with a lot of stuff. Her friend brought a lot of pasalubong for us, some polvoron and candies. Jean has flowers, I think for her mom.
My aunt.
You can see they're struggling with all the bags here. Yeah. So, and then also xiao pao. She said it's the famous xiao pao. You can, are you struggling still? There's a guy running around selling peanuts and water. Let's try the xiao pao while it's hot. It's so big. It's like the size of a hamburger. Okay, thank you. She's gonna hold it. Wow, this is giant. It's hard to hold so many things at once. Let's give it a shot. This is Roberto's?
Yeah. How was it?
Good.
You have to take this.
Oh, you have to take the paper off? I'm eating the paper. Okay. That's okay. The paper tastes good too. It's like barbecue and egg. Mm-hmm. It's huge though. It's like a hamburger.
Are you hungry? I'm not hungry
It is like a
anymore.
sweet onion barbecue. This guy's also selling, I don't know what he's selling. Cologne, I think? Yeah. He's selling cologne? This guy?
Yeah. Something like oil.
Oh, it's oil, so you don't get water or ocean sickness? Okay. Then people selling corn, I think, and yeah, selling everything.
Feel like you're gonna pass out. So like,
So if you get sick on the ocean, they give you a special little oil. So anyway, we're gonna, I guess, eat because we haven't eaten since breakfast. We're starving. We flew here from Cebu, then a taxi all the way to the ferry, and now a ferry to Guimares, and then a car from Guimares to the province. So we'll see. I should be trying to climb a mango tree. We'll see how that goes. You might have video of me falling off a mango tree. We'll see, or coconut tree. So we will see how that works out. But anyway, guys, we'll see you later. What's up, guys? We're in Guimares.
Buena Vista.
Yeah, Buena Vista. It only took like 20 minutes on the ferry to get here. My friend Jean is being my camera woman today. It's very beautiful though. I'm gonna get hit by the car. Yeah, the ferry boat was interesting. You just get on and then you pay there. Usually you have to get a ticket. But there was just like women holding their hands out the window waving tickets at you, just screaming. So you have to grab a ticket and then get on the boat. Okay. Is your family already here?
Yeah.
Well, I can't vlog too much then. We have to go.
Let's just show you around.
Let's get some footage, yeah. Show them all the scenery.
Like that. Yeah. Hi!
There we go. Her family's gonna pick us up and then we're gonna go have a Boodle fight, which is like a lot of food. Okay, I guess we're ready. All right, bye.
Some water.
Just give a video.
He's vlogging. he's vlogging.
As per plan, the end of the bridge from Iloilo is be here.
Oh.
And directly going to Negros. So the bridge will be passing a few meters from here. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He's vlogging right now.
And directly to Negros.
Welcome to my vlog.
All right, guys. So we're in Guimares now. We just got done with a nice lunch. Yeah, you can see how beautiful it is. Take a picture of the cornfield. Yeah. Sun's going down. Kids playing in the background. We had a lunch, but I think we're supposed to have are we having a second dinner later? Yeah, so our lunch was, I ate an entire fried fish, a big one, a mango the size of a football, 2 cups of rice, adobo, plus I had a giant xiao pao 30 minutes before we got here.
From Roberto's.
From Roberto's, plus I think that's it. So I was hungry, but I'm not hungry anymore. But we're gonna have a Boodle fight later, so I'll get some good footage of that. Just talking to the family now. Yeah, we'll keep making videos, guys. We'll see you later.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I was like, you're gonna do this.
What's up, guys? So we're done with church now. We are invited to a Boodle fight. This is my first one in the Philippines. This is where they just put a bunch of food on a banana leaf and then everyone digs in together, kind of like an informal buffet. It's dark out, so I'm doing it under the only light that's outside. So let's go in and take a look. We'll get a couple of pictures so you can see what it's like.
Can we start now? The timer start now?
You can start now.
Video. Okay, say hi to a vlog.
Hello, Guimares.
You just choose where is the suspect here.
Where's the suspect? Okay. Okay, guys.
Nining, ikaw Nining.
Okay.
Tunay, ikaw Tunay.
Ganit na baho ko. Gabihan lang ang video.
Nakakagina hindi.
Another video for the
Yes, now it's recording again. Yeah.
So how was it?
It's lami.
Namit. Namit.
Namit.
It's namit. Sorry for the camera. Please. Oh. Crunchy.
It's good.
Mga water lang. Mga
What's up, guys? So after the Boodle fight, the family all went home, and they are pretty religious, so they don't want me staying in the house as a non-related male, which is fine. I grew up in a pretty religious family too, so I'm in a hotel room. They offered to even pay for the hotel, which is nice. There's not many hotels in Guimares. There's really, it's pretty provincial, so it's a lot of fields, a lot of long roads, a few places to stay. I think I maybe saw 2 sort of hotels. This is like a big house that's divided into rooms. So anyway, I just want to show you my hotel. So a TV, I don't think it works, but of course a couple of trash cans, you have to bring your own water, a couple of shelves, some chairs, a very clean bed, the mattress looks brand new, aircon which works, and then even a private CR with even a shower. So you can tell, just very, by American standards, humble, but really, I mean, what do you need? Place to shower, place to change, sleep, use the bathroom. So it's really pretty nice. The aircon is nice. The family was super nice to offer to get me a place, especially because they don't have aircon at their house. So having it here, I definitely will be able to sleep better. So they're gonna be here to pick me up at, they said 6 a.m. So I'm gonna have to go to bed soon now. It's like after 9. So I'm going to eat a couple more popsicles that I bought at the store, which were only 5 pesos each, and then brush my teeth and get to bed. They make breakfast here in the morning, so I'm gonna go downstairs and see what that looks like. The lady seemed really nice who was cooking, and she was chubby, and so usually chubby people know how to cook at least decent, so I'm gonna go see what that's like in the morning. Maybe we'll get some footage there. But anyway, this is what a hotel room looks like in the Philippines, and a pretty decent one, I think, at that. So anyway, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.